So today we are gonna head out and do some jeeping up at Charlie's Creek. We're gonna have an awesome time.
What you got?
We have got a Maxxis bag for the back of the tire that some of our friends gave us. They're awesome friends. And it just allows you to kind of put some additional junk and have it out of the way inside the Jeep, because you know, with the Jeep you can't carry much anyway. So
We love having junk. We love having as much stuff. Well, no, not we. I love having a ton of stuff with us. Kevin, not so much, but I love it. The hardest part of the day is getting in to the back seat. Come on, Val. Get in. Charlie's Creek Trail is a popular trail in North Georgia. It's located in Towns County in Clayton, Georgia. There's a lot of really beautiful scenery, some great places to stop off for picnics. We stopped first before we hit the trailhead to have some charcuterie. So we're about to have charcuterie. We didn't want our board to be too small. It might be a little small, but I think we can make do. Let's go.
did you repurpose that from being a principal?
I really don't know if you could find a more beautiful spot to picnic. Here's our charcuterie. Go big or go home. This is a must-have for adventures. The Handpresso. Handpresso.
Is very impresso.
That is a automotive espresso machine.
Courtesy of Max Collins.
We do things
best gift giver
in
ever.
bougie style.
Darren can't go 12 hours without an espresso.
Welcome to Teal Mountain Jeep Club Elevation Report for Saturday, March 19th, 2022. Currently at 1,932 feet above sea level.
So we like to start on the Tallulah River campground side of the trail, and that brings us first and foremost to a large river crossing, which is a great way to start the trail. The trail did have some good spots for some rock climbing as well, but they did grade it recently, so those are not really there anymore. There are also a couple of creek crossings as well, so there are about 3 places that you're able to cross water over the course of the trail. If you like mud, there are some muddy spots that you can make a little splash if you'd like to. Especially after it rains, that's a really good time to get in some mud. Be aware that the sheriff does monitor the trail, so you do have to stay on the trail and make sure you don't sit in the river. The trail is two-way traffic, so you want to be careful, especially going around curves, because somebody may be coming the other way. Go to the right. Wow. We will pull you out. No problem. Yeah! Yeah! So there's definitely a story here. The first time we went jeeping at Charlie's Creek, which was pretty much the first time we went jeeping, we came to this spot and we thought, oh, just a little mud. Let's have some fun. Let's drive through the mud puddle. Well, this is what happened. That was the floorboard where I was sitting. It was a little stressful, but thankfully we had some expert Jeepers with us and they were able to pull us out. And Jeep folks are really great, and even folks who didn't know us stopped to help too. So the moral of that story though is stay on the trail, even when your great friends encourage you to do otherwise. In Charlie's Creek, if you're feeling lucky, there's always some offshoots that will be a little more challenging. I would just encourage you to be very careful, because if you get caught, it's probably not going to go well. So head on out to Charlie's Creek. I promise you, you will have a great time. And every time you go, it's a little different than the time before. Have some fun and be free.